Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Ankit Career Academy. The target for this YouTube channel is to solve 8 lakh math problems. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So right here what we have is d by dx of log of 10 pi by 4 plus x by 2, and we have to calculate the derivative of this particular question over here. So first of all, let us assume that the value of y is equal to log of 10 bracket pi by 4 plus x by 2. Now after this, what we are going to do is we are going to suppose that the value of pi by 4 plus x by 2 is equal to v. So that means the value of y, if we take this entire quantity as v, so the value of y would come out to be log of 10 of v. And also the value of y, this internal function, that is 10v, will take this as u. So the value of u is equal to 10 of v. So now what we have is a situation where we have the value of y as log of u, then the value of u is 10 of v, and the value of v is equal to pi by 4 plus x divided by 2. Now let us sequentially calculate the derivatives over here. So the value of dy by du is equal to 1 by u, then the value of du by dv is equal to sec square v, and after that what we are going to do is we are going to calculate the value of du by dx, which is 1 divided by 2. Now if you notice, the value of dy by dx can technically be written as dy by du multiplied by du by dv multiplied by dv by dx. So all we have to do is just kind of multiply the values, substitute the values and then multiply it over here. So this is equal to 1 divided by u multiplied by sec square u, and then multiplied sec square v multiplied by 1 divided by 2. Now the value of u is 10 of v. So the final answer after substituting all the values, what we get here is the value of dy by dx, which is equal to 1 divided by 2 sine v cos v, and technically that can be written as 1 divided by sine 2 v, and this v here is pi by 2v is pi by 4 plus x. So this is 1 divided by sine of pi by 2 plus x, which is equal to sec x. So this right here is the final answer to this particular problem. I hope that this video was informative enough, and for more such videos, don't forget to share and subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.